Hey, good day everyone, it's Mike from Finding Fish. Welcome to Cuba, welcome to the coral level Esmeralda, and welcome to Cayo Cruz. Now today I'm going to be doing a walking tour of this resort. I'm not staying here, I'm staying at the Esmeralda, but they granted me access so I could show you everything that this resort has to offer. And we're going to be starting off, obviously, in the main lobby area. Now when you get off your bus, you get off your transfer, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to walk in and you're going to go to the right. And that's where you're going to see reception. Like most resorts here in Cuba, check-in is always going to be around 4 o'clock and check-out is at noon. Now this lobby area is the size of a postage stamp when it comes to some of the resorts I've been to this year. You'll also notice this is where they kind of do nightly entertainment. Now I did come over the other night to check out the entertainment to see what was going on, and like I said, it is a very small resort, but they had some activities going on. They had some singing and they have some dancers in, so I'd seen people were having a good time. They also have a piano in this area, so some nights they'll probably get the piano going. Also in this area, that's where you're going to make your reservation for your a la cartes. I believe you can make up to 3 per week. The office is open from about 9 a.m. till 11 p.m. And as well with that, that's where you're going to find the lobby bar, directly located right behind the check-in area. And this is where you're going to see your travel reps. Like most travel reps here in Cuba, they usually start around 9 until they work around 4 o'clock. If you're looking to do an excursion, if you want to go somewhere, you want to go into Havana for a day trip, you want to go see the dolphins, which are coming soon, well, you can just talk to a travel rep and they'll look after all of that here. Also right behind reception, that's where you're going to find the bathrooms for this common area. They have a men's, they have a ladies, and they also have a wheelchair accessible bathroom. And I went in there and they were clean. Now, when you walk past the lobby bar, you're going to notice that's where the main buffet is. Now, that's where you can come and do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I just went in there and quickly checked out the morning buffet. It opens at 7:30. And like I said, this is a small buffet. But then again, I believe this resort only has 118 rooms. But this is where you can come. It's going to be air conditioned. You can get away from the elements. And if there's any mosquitoes, we are in Cuba, we are in Cayo Cruz. So yes, mosquitoes do come and go. Like I always say, bring bug spray. But you'll notice that this buffet has something for everyone, even though it's on the smaller side. Now this buffet also has outdoor seating, which I love. And it's just, there's just a few tables outside, but it's quaint out there. But if you're the type of person that wants to get away from the heat, well, obviously you're going inside. And directly right beside the buffet, that's where you're going to notice one of the 2 a la cartes. I believe it's the gourmet. And then if you keep walking underneath this covered area, you're going to pass by another set of bathrooms, and you're going to start going towards the cigar bar, which I was in there the other night and had a cigar. You get a cappuccino, any cocktails, mixed drinks, soft drinks, cervezas, and you can smoke a cigar. They do have a humidor, but right now it's empty, and they do have cigars on order. And then directly right out in front, you're going to notice a courtyard area. And at nighttime, they light it all up. It's pretty quaint out here. Now in the daytime, it would be really hot out here, but at nighttime, people come out here because it's all lit up. You can smoke, have drinks, and hang out. Okay, the lobby area and the superstructure's done. Let's go find the gym and the squash court. So located right out in front is, you're gonna find this path. And just stay on this path and you're gonna see a big building in front of us, and yes, they have a squash court. I could not believe it when I walked by it the other day. I was like, are you kidding me? And it was open, and I believe it was air conditioned. Anyway, we're gonna go check it out. And also located in that structure, you're gonna find the gym. Now, the gym was fairly small, but it had pretty much everything in there that you needed for a quick little workout. Then again, there's only 118 rooms in this facility, so that's probably the proportion that they needed when they were building it. Now, I'm not a squash guy, but right behind me, that is the squash court, glass door, walk in. The floor does feel pretty good. Lots of great lines there. I'm not a squash champion, so I don't know much about the courts. And if you didn't bring rackets, they also have rackets and balls here. And then obviously right beside it, you're gonna see this little gym. Just went in there, it's air conditioned, pretty small, Adequate though. If you're looking to get a quick pump in before you're hitting the beach and Cervezas, well, this place has you covered. Okay, let's go find the snack bar, and I believe if we keep following this path, it's gonna take us not only to the snack bar, probably to the beach. One of the best assets of this country. Now, along the way to the snack bar, it looks like they do have a spa here. Yeah, so that is the spa, 9 to 5. If you want to go in there and get a massage, if you want to go in there and jump in the plunge pool, if you want to just get away from it all, well, obviously you can go in there. And actually they have a sauna, I've been told. Now, things are growing up. I believe this resort's only 5 years old, but it's actually looking pretty nice. Like, things are slowly getting established here, like the mangroves and the palm trees and the flowers in the gardens. And so, well, I've talked to a lot of people that have stayed here, and they do enjoy it. It's a very quiet stay here. It's very relaxing. It's not a party zone. It's for newlyweds, special anniversaries, and returning guests. People that get it, they come back kind of thing. And I can tell, you can feel the vibe here. It's a very quiet vibe. But if you're into that, well, you can come here. And then located directly behind me, you're gonna find the 24-hour snack bar. Now, that's where you're gonna come get your ham and cheese, your hot dog. You're gonna get your French fries and pizza. Also, if you want a cappuccino, you want a mixed drink, you want a daiquiri, you want a cocktail, 24 hours, well, you can come here. And then right beside the 24-hour, you're gonna notice the next a la carte. Okay, food and snack bar area is done. Let's go take a look at a room. Okay, so if you're looking to splurge, well, you can come here. This is a rooftop junior suite, and this place is stunning. You get a sunrise view and a sunset view. You get a horseshoe-shaped veranda with loungers and chairs. And then on the inside, you're gonna notice you get a beautiful bed with 2 views. One a slate ocean view, and then another one, the pool view. You have 2 seating areas in here. And of course, you've got a stunning bathroom. Now, like I said, if you're coming here for a short stay or a long stay, well, this place looks amazing. It looks comfortable. If you've got a special anniversary, well, obviously, this is probably the room you're coming to get. Now, this room's also well lit because of all the amount of windows in here. It does have an air conditioning system, which is quiet because I can't hear it running right now. And it has a ceiling fan. And it's got a really nice looking color scheme. Anyway, this building is only 5 years old, so if you're coming here, well, this is what it looks like, folks. This is it. Anyway, next up is gonna be the best asset of this country. Guess what that is? It's gonna be the beach. Okay, change of plans. Now I'm gonna show you a junior suite sea view. Now, this is located on the 2nd floor. I can still see the sea, but also you can see a lot of greenery. Has a smaller balcony, but this room is well appointed. It's got a great color scheme. It looks comfortable. Obviously it has air conditioning, a ceiling fan, a small sitting area, TV, a beautiful bathroom, and you know what? It looks great. My wife would love it because it's nice and bright. It's got a great view and it looks quite comfortable. Anyway, so if you're coming here, there's a couple of rooms for you as well. Now let's go see the best asset of this country. It's gonna be the beach. Finally going to the best asset of this country. You know what it is, we both do. And of course, the cloud just kicked in. And finally, I made it to the beach, folks. Best asset of this country, it's the beach. Now, this country's getting pounded by waves, high winds, and recent hurricanes, so the seaweed has come in, but they're down there and they're all over the place cleaning up the best they can. And they've done a great job considering what it looked like yesterday. Anyway, also the clouds just set in, just my luck, Mother Nature. Come on, give me a bone here. But if you are coming here, folks, that's what your ocean's gonna look like. I've seen it many times and I've seen it a lot calmer than it is today. But like I said, when the wind picks up, it is what it is. Anyway, folks, that is it for me today. I'm gonna go take a break. I need to chill out. I'm gonna go grab a lounger and I'm gonna unwind. Like I always say, if you like my channel, do me a favor, like and subscribe, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video.